DeFi Saver DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. If you're into decentralized finance, DeFi Saver is a platform you need to know about. Designed for both newcomers and experienced DeFi users, it's a comprehensive tool that simplifies the management of your DeFi positions. Whether you're into lending, borrowing, or leveraging platforms like MakerDAO, Aave, or Compound, DeFi Saver integrates seamlessly to provide automation and risk management features that set it apart. The standout feature is its automation mode, which automatically manages your positions to prevent liquidations. For instance, if you're leveraging assets, it dynamically adjusts your collateral to keep you safe during market volatility, something invaluable in the ever-fluctuating crypto space. Another key tool is Smart Savings, allowing users to effortlessly optimize returns by allocating funds across lending platforms for the best rates. What makes DeFi Saver particularly useful is its recipe creator, which lets you build custom transactions involving multiple DeFi protocols, all executed in one go. It's incredibly efficient and saves you from high gas fees caused by performing each action manually. They've also introduced boost and repay functionalities, which make managing your leverage as simple as a single click. For security-conscious users, DeFi Saver's non-custodial architecture is a major plus. You retain full control over your funds since everything operates directly from your connected wallet. Additionally, the platform supports hardware wallets for added security. The user interface is intuitive, offering clear analytics and real-time data on your DeFi positions, making it accessible without feeling overwhelming. In my personal experience, DeFi Saver was most beneficial for automating my MakerDAO positions during a market dip. It saved me from a potential liquidation, and the seamless integration made the entire process stress-free. If you're looking for a solution to actively manage your DeFi investments without constantly monitoring the market, this is a game changer. In summary, DeFi Saver stands out for its automation, efficiency, and user-centric design. It's made for anyone in DeFi who wants to manage positions effectively, reduce risks, and maximize returns. While it does have a learning curve for beginners, the long-term benefits are well worth it. If you're serious about your DeFi journey, DeFi Saver is a platform you should consider.